Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by opening the Contacts app and confirming which account is active, because settings apply per account. Once done, tap the three-dot menu or gear icon to open Contact Settings. This is where Display, Import, and Accounts sync live. You need a signed-in account to change sync and default storage. Without it, changes won't persist. Make sure permissions are granted for contacts to access your account. This avoids hidden options later, and choose contacts to display so you only see entries from the account you want. This reduces clutter and prevents edits in the wrong place. Next, set the default account for new contacts, pick Google if you want cloud backup, or phone for local-only storage. You can also change sort order and name display so searches match your habits. These choices affect where contacts are saved and how they appear, so pick options that match your backup and sharing needs. Finish by enabling sync for the account you set as default, then tap Sync Now to push changes to the cloud. This ensures edits are backed up. If you see duplicates, use Merge Duplicates to combine entries cleanly and review linked account info for accuracy. If a change won't save, make sure Contacts has permission to access accounts and storage, and verify the account sync is active. Toggling sync off and on often clears hiccups. Reboot only if problems persist.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.